Today I'm talking to Dr. Tudor, who is a director of TCC and a board member of the DSDM Consortium. Doc, first of all, tell us a little bit about TCC.
Okay, well, hello Mary. TCC is a specialist training, coaching, consultancy company. We've been established in the UK since about 1981, and we work internationally, very passionate about Agile, very much involved with the DSDM Consortium.
Thanks. Now, over recent months, Dot, you've been working on a new publication for the consortium on Agile business analysis, or Agile BA as it's been shortened to. What were the drivers behind this work?
Well, business analysis, of course, has become a really sought-after skill, especially since so many organisations are developing things, making rapid business change, and needing to link that to their strategic directions. And really, one of the main drivers was traditional business analysts actually asking for this, asking how they became more agile, how they worked with the Agile team.
So how does business analysis differ in an Agile environment from a more traditional BA role?
Well, of course, the skills of the business analyst are still necessary, and their view both from the organisational point of view and the project point of view, their ability to look at the end-to-end process. But in an Agile situation, very much the business analyst is working collaboratively with the team. There's discussion and conversation between developers, testers, the business analyst and the business representatives. And the business analyst needs to facilitate that, needs to keep the perspective of value, needs to keep the strategic perspective, whilst not stopping the conversation between the business, the developers, the testers as well.
Mm-hmm. Now, you'll be introducing Agile BA at this year's conference. What will you be covering in your session?
Right, well, I've actually entitled the session Keeping the Customer Satisfied, because really that's where we're aiming with everything that we do within business change. And of course, one of the benefits really of the Agile approach is that you'll have the customer representative working very closely with the development team, and it's that conversation, making sure that we are keeping our focus on the business need.
Okay, now you're going to make one of the chapters from the new book available in advance of publication for people who attend the conference. Can you tell us a little bit about this and why you have chosen this particular chapter?
Right, well, we have actually got a very long way through the work that we're doing very collaboratively. We have a fairly large review group, and we're producing a 12-chapter handbook, of which we've decided to release as a taster, really, Chapter 11. We've chosen Chapter 11, which is about the requirements life cycle in an Agile environment, because that brings together the guidance of the rest of the book, which is on the way that the business analyst operates, the roles of the other members of the team, and the way that requirements are managed in an Agile situation. And this particular chapter brings together all of those traditional business analysis skills with what the differences are in Agile, how the Agile approach to business analysis fits throughout the life cycle of the project, and where the techniques, perhaps things like user stories, for example, fit in, and to what level they're done throughout the project.
Okay, well, thank you very much for that, Dot. We look forward to hearing you and seeing you on 9th of October.
Okay, thank you very much, Mary.